Karbi Student Association celebrates its glorious 63rd Foundation Day. Srimati Draupadi Murmu became the first tribal president of India. Hi and welcome to the Karbi Daily News. I am Pramila Timokpi with the latest news for this morning. Karbi Student Association celebrates its glorious 63rd Foundation Day on 21st of July 2022. Karbi Student Association is one of the oldest organizations of the Karbis. With its noble aims and objectives to uplift and struggle for implementation of Article 244 of the Indian Constitution's autonomous and thereby creating autonomous state. The organization was formed on the 21st day of July 1959 at Dilaji LP School, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Since then, the KSA has been struggling against various social remnants and various issues, including the political issues faced by the Karbi students and the Karbis at large. After long struggles for its people since its inceptions, the Karbi Student Association celebrated its glorious 63rd year completion of Foundation Day as Karbi Students Day on 21st of July 2022 at Langkung Habi Town Hall, Difu, Karbi Anglong. The Honorable CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tudiram Mohang, has graced the auspicious occasions. Along with him were present the Honorable MLA Mr. Dorsing Rohang, EMS and MSCS, HSDC leader Mr. Salavar Bey, and KSA advisor Mr. Laichon Ingleng. In the general meeting, Mr. Thompson Rongpi, the president of KSA Central Committee, presided over successfully. The chief guest, Honorable CM and Mr. Thompson Rongpi, also cut Foundation Day cake to mark the 63rd glorious completion as Karbi Students Day. In his speech, Honorable CM Dr. Tudiram Mohang announced Rs 1 crore for construction of new KSA office building. The 63rd KSA Foundation Day was also observed in various parts of Karbi Anglong, namely Bokulia, Kheroni, Dongkamukam, and Dallali Monsing Playground gloriously. News Text Report, Karbi Daily News. Srimati Draupadi Murmu became the first tribal president of India on 21st of July 2022. Draupadi Murmu has become India's 15th president, and with that she has created history by becoming India's first tribal president. Her total votes now stand at 6,76,803, while Yashwant Sinha has garnered 3,80,177 votes. As many as 17 MPs and 104 MLAs from the opposition came have cross-voted for Murmu. Draupadi Murmu got 64% of votes in presidential poll against Yashwant Sinha's 36%. Therefore, Draupadi Murmu has emerged victorious in the presidential election 2022. The entire country was seen celebrating on her victory. The Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi met President-elect Draupadi Murmu, said she has emerged as a ray of hope. Home Minister Amit Shah congratulated her for the first tribal to be the President of India. He said that it was a moment of great pride for the country of India. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan visited the resident of NDS Draupadi Murmu in Delhi to congratulate her on being declared the President of India. The opposition leader Rahul Gandhi also congratulated Draupadi Murmu on being elected as the 15th President of India. Jameson Teron for National Report, Karbi Daily News. That's all for today. Keep watching Karbi Daily News.